Hey, I'm Tony from Lane Bully. I'm gonna walk you through assembling our oil filler cap. The only tool you're gonna need is a 4mm Allen wrench. So the first step is gonna be to put the set screw in the cap itself. Just thread that in and then bottom it out. So that's all the way in. The next step is the threaded adapter. Same thing, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. We're gonna go righty-tighty until that bottoms out. We'll take our 4mm Allen wrench and then back it out just a little bit, and then we'll put the O-ring in place. There's actually a flat side and a rounded side. We're gonna put the flat side against the cap itself. Okay, so next step, we're gonna install it under the hood to figure out where it's oriented. So the next step is to thread the filler cap directly on, and then that's gonna tell us how it's oriented and how we need to adjust it. Tighten it on all the way. Okay, so it looks like we need to back it up about 100 degrees going that way. More than 90. So remember how it's oriented on the car right now. We want the logo to be legible from the front. Take it back off. And then we're gonna adjust it. So it was like that and we want it to be like this. So we're gonna actually tighten this screw in here, because as the screw backs out, it acts as a jam nut for the threaded adapter. So we're actually gonna tighten it back. In. And then we want to back this out. That's how it was, and this is how we want it to look. And then loosen the set screw to tighten as a jam nut. So that's a little confusing. So we're going lefty there. And it doesn't need to be too crazy tight because we're gonna adjust it again. We'll probably adjust it again. So when we thread this on, hopefully it'll be aligned. Oh my God. Okay. So that concludes our installation guide for the oil filler cap. Thanks for watching.